Okay, now that we have everything washed and prepped and primed, it's time for the fun part, the icing on the cake, and that's the silicone application. So here is what you have to do to make sure that your silicone application comes out beautifully. So you're gonna wanna make sure you paint all the drip edge where you fully encapsulated the perimeter and the counter flashings. On top of that, you're gonna wanna make sure that your squeegee that you're using is notched to the correct mill thickness that you're applying on the roof. After that, we like to go ahead and use half-inch naps to make sure that it's not pulling too much silicone after you spread it with the squeegee. And then you can go ahead and apply the silicone on the entire surface area of the roof. And as you're applying it, you're gonna wanna make sure that it's the right thickness. So you can test a little 10x10 area out first. And once you went ahead and gauged the thickness, apply it on the rest of the roof. Now, this is very important. You're applying it on the rest of the roof. It's really vital that you have what's called a wet mill gauge. And you test out the thickness randomly as you're applying it. Otherwise, you may void your warranty. So after a while, when you're spreading the silicone with the squeegee, it starts to grind down the little nubs on the notches. So that's why wet mill gauge is very important. So if you have to re-notch the squeegee, you can do it at lunchtime and go ahead, continue applying it to make sure that your customer is protected and is getting what they pay for.